Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. St. Mary has long been the parish of choice for many returning residents. Its understated charm makes it a perfect place for a vacation home. This 5,700 square feet custom built home sits on 10,890 square feet of land and is found in a cul-de-sac within the quiet community of Spring Valley, St. Mary, a 5 minutes drive from Sugarpot Beach and only 10 minutes from Boscobel International Airport. Currently comprised of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in the main house, as well as 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom apartment. There are endless ways this house can be utilized. As is, it is perfect for a large family looking for a space who could use the apartment for a short-term vacation rental or additional guests. The generously sized verandas are ideal for entertaining. This is what Jamaican country living is all about. Cool breeze, beaches nearby, but most of all, peace and quiet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 415,000 or Jamaican $63.8 million. To purchase our make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.